I guess a lot of investor confidence here. Tell us what you plan to do with the capital.
Yeah, definitely a lot of confidence around Southeast Asia right now. I think we're somewhat in a sweet spot, demographics, the socio-political situation, our neutrality, and the fact that consumers are adopting technology solutions like never before, and the enterprises are catching up fast. So we're very grateful to our investors for their support, to give us the additional capital to keep investing in the region, because there are so many problems yet to solve. There's a lot of ways in which technology can help boost things like health, education, access to financial services. And we're very, very excited by the quality of the entrepreneurs that are approaching us, and look forward to supporting more of them in the coming years.
And talking about pharmaceuticals and that biotech space in particular, we've learned a lot through the pandemic, certainly a key focus here. What are you doing in that space?
Yeah, our portfolio companies have been very active during the COVID phase in helping to address the crucial issues that have popped up. So one example would be our portfolio company in Indonesia, HelloDoc, which was one of the first to use an app and an online service to help roll out COVID testing, and is now helping with vaccinations. Another is our portfolio company, Bioformist, based in Singapore, but now helping governments and helping hospitals globally to address COVID through remote diagnostics, remote care. And so I think there's been a lot of stuff that we can do around remote health and health tech generally to help with the COVID situation. I think there's going to be other efforts required during this workout phase to make sure that all of us can get back to a regular way of doing things, but in a safe fashion, and get the economies back moving as well in the right direction.
Shane, it's not just you who have invested in all this. Tell us about the other people who are also backing you.
Yeah, this has been a very exciting place to be based as a VC investor the last 5 years. We've seen a massive build out in the ecosystem. The article mentions that Temasek helped to get us started, as well as a few of our peers. So there are quite a lot of excitement around the region, and we're happy to be one of those participants. I think that the diversity of the limited partners that we've been able to attract in this fund, we have people from Australia, we have people from the US, from Europe, as well as from here in Asia, is a sign that there's a lot more, there's a lot more understanding and ongoing excitement about the opportunities in Southeast Asia. But we just have our place to play in this ecosystem. We generally back our companies fairly early. We find companies that have the potential to really go large, and we put our team to work. We're a team of 25 people now, 12 different nationalities across 4 offices. And we think there's certain ways in which Southeast Asia should be addressed when it comes to VC investing. And we're just grateful again for the support to keep investing in those capabilities and a really, really talented crop of entrepreneurs.
Shane, it's a far cry from the landscape in 2014 when you set up, isn't it? This whole burgeoning VC space is probably a testament to exactly what you're seeing with the opportunities in the region. And I think I've got a great quote from you saying, our peers may do more deals, but our hit rate has also been high. So tell us a little bit about that too.
Yeah, well, back to that 2014 time, I can say that in those days, talking about Series A and Southeast Asia, we were a little bit of a voice in the wilderness. We used to get given the furthest corner of any conference that we attended. So it is nice to have some peers now and, a very vibrant ecosystem. And I think we all work together quite cooperatively, right? There's a seed stage investors, some of whom put 20, 30 deals down per year. We have growth participants, including our new growth vehicle, as well as some new players who've entered the region at the growth stage. But at the Series A stage, we've done 35 deals over 5 years. I think this year we've done 4 deals, or in Fund 3 we've done 4 deals, and we expect to continue to invest at a steady pace. But what we do is we really raise the bar. We've had a good track record in Indonesia with companies like Gojek and HelloDoc, TanyHub, and PhoenixL, but we want to make sure our bar is extremely high for what we're doing in that market. And then we look forward to pushing into areas that other people may not have completely appreciated yet. So we're busy in the Philippines, we're busy in Thailand. Bioformist is a deeper technology company from Singapore. So for Openspace, we just try to live up to our name and make sure that we're looking for that next big opportunity. But we do greatly appreciate the support of those early stage players who will put more checks to work and really get a lot of entrepreneurs started.
And Shane, what is that next big opportunity and further plans for expansion?
Yeah, watch this space. Watch this space. We've got a few big themes for this year. The things that we think are underappreciated but ripe to really, really push on in the Southeast Asian marketplace. I think health is another area where we're just getting started. You know, we've been very busy in the financial services space, including in digital asset management. And there's going to be a lot of stuff around enterprise. Enterprises have really been slow to adopt technologies in this region relative to consumers. And now they're being dragged to a point where they actually have to put in place proper systems to connect with marketplaces, connect with mobile payment forms, you know, connect with on online to offline capabilities. So I think whether it's enterprise, fintech and health and a few other areas that we're investigating very deeply, there's going to be some big ones coming in the next few years, as well as, you know, the continued momentum and potential exits of a few from our earlier funds.